Well, hello children. As we are learning alphabets, their letters and their sounds, now we are coming to an end. And you're going to tell me which alphabet will come after X. Very good. That is Y. Capital Y, small y. Mama Y, baby Y. And you know the sound the baby Y makes? It says y, y, y. Okay. And we are going to sing its favorite rhyme. And you are going to do the actions with me. As in, you are going to eat yogurt. Yogurt means yogurt. Yogurt means dahi खाते हैं आप? You like dahi? जो flavored वाला dahi आता है, right? It's called as yogurt. So you are going to pretend as if you are eating yogurt. This is going to be your action for its favorite rhyme. Let us begin. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Did you like the rhyme? It was so easy, isn't it? You just had to eat yogurt. Yogurt. And children, can you tell me what comes with the letter Y? Y से और क्या आता है? Yellow. What is your ma'am wearing? Which color is this? Yes, this is yellow. And now children, we are going to play a quick, fast game. Okay, are you ready to play the game with me? If yes, show me a thumbs up. Okay children, so in this game, I am going to show you some actions and you are going to guess what I am trying to say. Okay, मैं आपको कुछ actions करके दिखाऊंगी और आपने मुझे बताना है उसका word, मैं क्या बताना चाह रही हूँ. Like एक example, okay? This is your, what do we say? A twinkle twinkle in the sky like a diamond. So I'll show you like this. This is a diamond, right? So like this, I'm going to do some actions and you are going to tell me the names. Are you ready? Let us begin the first one, okay? What do you call this? जब आपको बहुत नींद आती है, you feel sleepy and you do what do you call it? Yes, this is called as yawn. 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 Yawning. What is your ma'am doing? Yawning. Okay, easy. Okay children, now the second guess you're going to do, okay? Now your mummy makes yummy food for you, okay? So kabhi you like the food and sometimes you don't like the food, right? So when my mama cooks food for me and I like it a lot, what do I say? Guess the word? I say yummy. Very good children, very nice. That was the right answer. Yummy. Okay, and sometimes mama makes some vegetables which I don't like. So I say, I don't like it. So ma'am says, yuck. Like your ma'am doesn't like to eat bitter gourd. करेला नहीं पसंद मैम को, So when my mother cooks bitter gourd for me, I say yuck, yuck, yuck. And children, sometimes when we get angry, we do like this. Ah. What is the word for it? What do you call it? Guess, guess, guess. जब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है कभी कभी आप जिद करते हैं तो फिर what do you do? Ah, you shout and scream like this. What do you call it? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? I'll tell you. Yell. What do you do? Yell. Easy? Let us revise all the words. Yellow. Yummy. Yuck. Yell. And last, you. When you want to talk about others, you say you. So these are the 5 words that we learned that begins with the letter Y and the sound Y. Will you remember, children? I hope so. Bye-bye.